Hi, this is Aisha. I often get asked as an interior designer how to style a dinner table for a party. Well, today I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you style your dinner table of your dreams. Tip number 1. Layer. Layering is key to design. This round wood table provides a dark matte background to the arrangement. This would be considered my first layer. Chargers, plates, glasses, flowers and candles are considered layers as well. Tip number 2. Material. Try using different materials in the same color palette for the charger. Lots of interesting chargers are available out there. I use a woven charger here which helps give the solid table another dimension. Tip number 3. Go neutral with your plates. I like to choose a neutral white cream as the base color for my plates. You can then easily change the look of a setting, swapping napkins, flowers and accessories. You can even change it according to the season. Tip number 4. Either roll up or pinch your napkin within a ring, just like this. Tip number 5. The centerpiece arrangement. Be mindful of conversation during a party. The centerpiece should ideally be higher than your line of vision. So there you have it. My dinner table is now ready for my guests. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel.